Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we are checking out the seat covers in the 2009 Dodge Ram 2500. It's an awesome looking set of seat covers with the Midnight Croc diamond stitch for the insert, mossy oak Bottomland, super durable canvas for the trim. Just a great looking set loaded up with pockets for guns and gear. And you're going to be able to carry bows, rifles, pistols inside these seat covers now. And we're going to show you all the pockets and how they all function. But first, we're going to show you the fabrics. Let's do this. So let's check out these fabrics inside here. Now, this is the Midnight Croc, so it's a jet black, completely black croc inside here. You can see the scales of the gator, the croc scales popping out right here. Just really cool look. And it is diamond stitch, so that doubles the foam backing in the middle section right here. Just gives that a nice plush look right there, and just a nice dimension to that diamond stitch when you choose that as an option. Now the trim side is in the mossy oak Bottomland. Really nice black and green tones inside that Bottomland, and that black coordinates really nice with that insert. Now the fabric of the mossy oak Bottomland is a super durable canvas fabric. It's a 600 denier canvas that's waterproof, durable, abrasion resistant. It's gonna be a great fabric for the trim side where you get a lot of wear and tear as you get in and out of the vehicle. So super durable on the outside, really classy on the inside with the croc look right there and diamond stitch. Just love how these fabrics turn out inside this Ram, and we did the front and back seats, so let's move on and show you some more. Here's a close-up on the headrest. Now, your headrest and your middle seat sections are always made out of your trim choice of fabric, which in this case, it was the mossy oak Bottomland. You can see that Bottomland camo just turned out really nice, covering this headrest right here. So all the headrests, front and rear, all matched up in the mossy oak Bottomland. Definitely consider doing a headrest logo, American flag, elk, deer, some wildlife there on the headrest. When you're picking out your headrest, you'll have that option to do a headrest logo. So here's the bottom seat cover. And you can see that it's matching with the backrest, and that's what we always do, is match up the bottoms with the backs. Also the rear rows would be matching. Mossy oak Bottomland on the trim. Trims out really nice around here, around the controls. And that middle section, it has that Midnight Croc going all the way to the edge here. Just really nice look, and this added a little bit more cushion to this seat. This seat originally was really damaged actually over the years of use. The foam, there was a gaping hole missing out of the foam right here. We repaired that. We have another video that you can watch to see how we repaired some of that foam and fix that up for this customer, so it's a lot more comfortable for him. But there was foam missing here. Also in the backrest, there was some foam missing up in the backrest. And so we got things in a much better shape right now, looking a lot better and gonna be a lot more comfortable for this customer. One of our favorite custom options to add on to seat covers is the MOLLE gun pocket. You can see it has MOLLE webbing on the outside, which allows you to hook additional carriers and gear to that MOLLE webbing. And then you can store items such as pistols or other gear on the inside of the pocket. So if you weren't storing your pistol on the outside in another carrier, you could open this pocket up and drop your pistol on the inside, just like that, for concealed carry right there. Close that up right there. That's that MOLLE gun pocket. Now I want to show you the 20 section. So this seat is called a 40-20-40. The 20 section is your middle seat that folds up for somebody to sit right here, and then it has storage on the top right here. So that flips up so you can store items up here, and there's a cover for the top piece. There's going to be a cover for the 20 section backrest right here. And then there's also a cover for the 20 section bottom. So all of those, we explain how to install these pieces in the full install video. Be sure to watch that. But I want to show you this bottom 20 section has storage underneath it. So you can also store items under here. And that's why it's so important to get a custom seat cover, truly custom for your seat, because a universal fit cover would never fit onto all these pieces when there's bottom storage. Some Rams don't have bottom storage, some don't have top storage. So it's so important to have a custom fit seat cover that's gonna fit nice and tight to your seat. Now this Ram, it was actually damaged right here where this customer rests his right arm, and we actually ended up putting a little piece of foam underneath there because it was cracked out and the foam was missing. So it's gonna be a little bit more comfortable for him as he rests his arm right there. And that kind of fix that up for him. And those are some DIY fixes that you could do as well. And we explained some of that in our install video. But that's all covered, looking good now. So that's all protected if you're sitting in here, or maybe you got the dog inside here, and that's okay. And you know, it's gonna clean up so much better when you have seat covers that are custom fit inside the seat like this. Now you can see on the passenger side, we also have a front MOLLE gun pocket over here. So that way the passenger can also store items on the inside, store their pistol inside there, hook gear on the outside on that MOLLE webbing, and they come as a driver and passenger MOLLE pockets as a set. That way you have ideal storage on the front side of your seats. So here is the driver's side pistol holster. It's sewn into the driver's seat bottom cover right here. And you can see the pistol slides in like this. It's a universal fit for all pistols, pushes in like that. And then when your 20 section is down, it will be a little bit more concealed, but not completely concealed, as you can see there. If you want a complete concealment for your pistol, really the better option is for that front MOLLE gun pocket. But this is a nice option as well if you want a little bit faster access to your pistol right on the side right there. And it works great when you have a 20 section cushion like this, because the cushion just comes down and nestles right against that pistol like that. Now the other option is if you have a hard console, that's a flow-through console right there. It gets a little bit tighter right there for a pistol. If it's a compact pistol, it still will work. The other thing you can do is slide your cell phone inside there as well. Works great for a cell phone holster as well. Now we're checking out the Special Ops package on the back side of these seats, also known as the Tactical package on the back side here. Just a great setup for the rifles, to carry up to 2 rifles on the back side like this. So you can see 1 rifle up here, and then a shotgun. We got an example shotgun down here. So that allows you to carry them horizontally like this. And these pockets are actually sewn into the seat covers. And it's a great set. It's actually 12 total storage pockets on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for these big ones. And then you have these 4 smaller gear pockets down lower. And then you have another pocket right here that is actually designed as the bow, where you could put a bow inside there as well. And then you have the MOLLE webbing up here. And then there's another hidden pocket that folds out for a crossbow. So if you want to carry a crossbow, there's an option for that. Compound bow, option for that. If you want to carry your rifles horizontally like we have set up right now, there's setups for that. And then the MOLLE webbing allows you to even set things up for more carriers. And that's what we're showing here. Is you get several carriers, water bottle carrier. We got a first aid kit on here, a cell phone holder. To show you, there's lots of ways with this MOLLE webbing. It opens up the doors even more so for really organizing your gear back here into additional carriers. It's a really cool setup, and lots of other videos on our website. You can check out the Special Ops package on our website and see more there. So a lot of customers ask me, hey, are these seat covers waterproof? So let's check them out. And the answer is yes, they are. So you can see how the water just beads up, right, like that. Just beads up there, and then you can see there's a bead right there, and it will just wipe up nice and easy with a cloth. Keep things looking nice and clean inside your vehicle. Now we're checking out the rear seats back here. This is the 60/40 rear seat on this Ram 2500. You can see the seat folds up like that for underseat coverage. Great having that. That way when the wet dogs jump in, no problem to clean that off. There was carpet on this original seat, so it's so nice having that carpet covered up, so it's going to be a lot easier to wipe down. And you can, again, this is a split seat. It's called a 60/40, so 60 section over here, 40 section over here. This one folds up as well, under seat coverage under there as well. Now, always so nice to have the front seats and rear seats matching. So we always recommend when you order seat covers, order the fronts and rear seats together, because you really transform the interior of your vehicle. You can see that midnight croc diamond stitch for the middle section just pops, and you know, having the fronts and rears matched up together, it looks really cool. Now the headrest, again, like we mentioned earlier, matched up in the mossy oak Bottomland camo, looks great there. On these seats, the backrest doesn't fold forward on this Ram. It's just the rears, the bottom seats that flip up. So the install is a little tricky on this backrest, but we teach you how to do that through the full install video. You can definitely do it at home and just follow our steps on. There's some straps that drop down the back to buckles. You lock it in nice and tight. And again, a lot of people wonder, hey, is this the new upholstery? What happened to the old upholstery? The old upholstery is still underneath there. The original seats are still underneath there. This is just on top. We've just slid this on top. It's a new skin that we've pulled on top to protect that original upholstery. Really increases the resale value of your vehicle when you can protect that upholstery under there. So if you ever trade this in or sell this vehicle, pull these seat covers off or sell it with the seat covers on there as well if you want to, but it really protects the upholstery underneath. Looks great in the meantime though. Again, I love how this matched up with the Midnight Croc, diamond stitch for the insert section, mossy oak bottomland for the trim. Really quite a cool set. Again, you can check out more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you want to get a set of seat covers like this, jump over to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, maybe need some floor mats or a dash cover for one of your vehicles, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Again, Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.